Hello Hungry Fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. After a lot of your requests, I'm back with part 2 of Pop It Hacks, and this time I'm going to test it from 5-minute crafts and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, I'm adding 1 pack of gummy bears on a star poppet and I'm going to arrange it अच्छे से. Now using a blow dryer, I'm going to melt the gummy bears in the mold itself. Then keep adding few gummies on the empty space to fill the mold. Honestly, while watching the video, I was so sure that the hack is fake, but surprisingly it's working beautifully and it's much better than melting the gummies in different bowl and creating a lot of mess. The melting process took hardly 10 to 15 minutes, which is nothing compared to the mess I created in the part 1 while melting these gummies. I let it set for 15 minutes on room temperature itself. Let's demold it. Also, I forgot to brush oil on the poppet, but still it comes out in one piece. Just look at how perfect and colorful the star looks. Undoubtedly, this has to be my favorite poppet hack so far. Love how squishy it is, and again, it's like an edible slime, which is super fun to watch. This hack was definitely a big hit. For the next hack, I'm using 1 can of Coke. Before adding the gelatin powder, I just checked the size of the syringe, but the one I have is bigger than the can hole, so I'm going to pour it in a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder. Mix it for 2 to 3 minutes or until there are no lumps. Now inject the Coke mixture, which was a huge task. I tried it 2 to 3 times and then I got the technique. Now add it into the poppets. Don't fill the entire mold, only fill the part which pops. I'm going to let it set for 2 to 3 hours. In the first part, the jelly was literally set in 15 minutes and today it's just not ready to set. Even after 24 hours, it's almost set, but it's not perfect like them. I don't know, maybe the gelatin powder didn't work well with the Coke. Let's taste it, but I added only 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder. Still, it tastes only of gelatin. It's very weird and I can't taste the Coke at all. So for me, this hack was busted. For the next hack, I have 1 box of melted vanilla ice cream. I'm going to transfer it into a piping bag. I ordered these mini biscuits, which I thought were smaller in size, but they don't fit into the poppet. So I bought these Reese's Puff cereal. They are of perfect size. Add it into a butterfly poppet. Then add the melted ice cream. Okay, that's a fail already. Ice cream कुछ ज़्यादा ही melt हो गया. So the cereal is literally floating over it. Also, Subbarao Gamalapati suggested to try milk and cereal in poppet, which will be similar and cereal will float in milk. So I guess it won't work. Coming back to our hack, I got vanilla ice cream cup and I kept it in room temperature for 5 minutes. Then I'm mixing it with a spoon to make it lump free. Transfer it into a piping bag. I guess now it is the correct consistency. Fill the mold with the melted ice cream and freeze it for 4 to 5 hours. It's completely set now. Let's demold it. Okay, it's breaking into pieces and it's melting very fast, but it doesn't look bad. It's something unique. Let's taste it. Wow, that's amazing. I forgot to drizzle the chocolate syrup, yet it's very delicious. The cereal is still crunchy and the peanut butter flavor goes perfect with the vanilla ice cream. Since it didn't come out in one piece, for me it's a 50-50. The next hack is similar to the white chocolate and M&M from the part 1. Grease the poppet mold with oil or butter. First, I'm placing Skittles. This is the sour candy flavor which I'm going to try for the first time. Then add melted milk chocolate over it. I'm using a piping bag to do that. You can also directly melt 2 packets of Cadbury and use it as well. Tap it 2 to 3 times to even out the chocolate. Now I'm going to let it set on room temperature itself. I don't know how after 1 hour only it started becoming whitish and got a lot of bubbles. I don't know what's wrong. Okay, it's breaking easily. Maybe I did something wrong here or there's some problem with the chocolate, but it's fine. You can keep it back together. And in the video also they made chocolate stick, so it's fine. Let's taste it now. If we ignore the whitish part, the taste is good. I really like the sweet and sour combination. It's very unique. So for me, this hack was a success. Next hack is very simple, but a lot of you requested me to try it. So in the heart shape poppet, I'm going to add water, and don't be like me, fill the poppet mold with water, keeping the mold inside the fridge itself because fridge tak leke jate jate sara pani niche gir gaya. So be very careful. I let it set in the freezer for 2 hours. Let's demold it. Wow, it easily comes out in one whole piece and looks so pretty, just like a crystal or something. Snapping this ice was a different kind of a satisfaction. You can easily serve it to your guests and impress them with such a simple but very fancy looking ice. This hack was also a success. The last hack is not about food, but again got a lot of requests, so had to try it. Add any toothpaste in the poppet hole. I tried to find the toothpaste which is similar to their video. Then sprinkle baking soda over it. Okay, this happens with me every time. So quickly I'm going to clean it and then add baking soda with my fingers only to avoid creating more mess. I'm keeping it aside for 1 hour. Okay, that's not working. Only the part which has baking soda over it becomes a bit hard and doesn't stick. If you add baking soda first on the mold, then add the toothpaste and then sprinkle baking soda again over it, I guess it will work. But the way they showed, clearly it's busted. The aftermath is even more messy and now the mold literally smells only of Colgate. But I had so much fun trying all these hacks, so definitely give them a try and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Sonali Gaikwad, Venugopal Nayak and Chef Lutfa. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.